Giles Montessori and School. Unit 1. English Grade 4. Difficult words from read at your own workbook. Always, हमेशा, consistency. Arguing, बहस करना, disputing. Stronger, बहुत मजबूत, more powerful. Often, अक्सर, frequently. Argued, दलील देना, reasoned. Thought, समझना, considered. Snow, बर्फ, frozen water. Yesterday, गुजरी हुई कल, the day before. Blue, फूंक मरना, exhaled. Move, चलना, shift. Shone, चमक जाना, glowed. Caught, पकड़ा जाना, seized. Dried, सूख जाना, dehydrated. Idea, ख्याल, thought. Valley, वादी, lowland. Wearing, पहना, dressing. Heavy, भारी, weighty. Walking, चल रहा, moving. First, पहला, initial. Blow, धचका, shock. Tired, थक जाना, exhausted. Special, खास, unique. Bernie, जगह का नाम, place name. Orange, Malta, citrus fruit. Grass, घास, green plant. Moved, चला था, relocated. Brightly, रोशनी की तरह, vividly. Slowly, आहिस्ता, gradually. Scene, मंजर, view. Characters, किरदार, roles. Houses, बहुत सारे घर, dwellings. London, London, जगह का नाम, city name. Wooden, लकड़ी से बना हुआ, made of wood. Close, band, shut. Bridge, पुल, connector. Together, मिलजुला कर, collectively. Thatched, घास फूस के, straw covered. Foreigner, एक नाम, name. Gunpowder, बंदूक का powder, explosive powder. Bakery, bakery, bread shop. Empty, खाली, vacant. Space, जगह, area. Early, बहुत जल्दी, prematurely. Awake, जाग जाना, alert. Saw, देखा, observed.